Well, I'm calling it. The weather has just been cool at best and even cooler at night. Nothing is really developing anymore or doing anything else. So I've decided that's it. Summer's done here. So I'm gonna go through, see if there's anything out here that's worth keeping. And I'll start pulling most of my plants. It's been quite rainy last day or two, so the beds are quite wet. So the potatoes will stay probably another week or so till they dry out, but everything else is going to get pulled out, salvage whatever food is left in there, and we'll say that was the 2018 growing season. Anything that's still out here is just basically in cold storage. None of the vegetables are actually producing anything anymore, so I've gotten everything I can out of it. It's time to put it to bed. Okay, so it's the next day, so it's September 18th, and I've pretty much got everything out of the garden. You can see behind me there, potatoes are still there. I've got a few buckets out, and I'm hoping to get those out soon. But other than that, I've got most of it out. I'll turn the camera on you and have a quick look. Compost bin is full. Potatoes are still there. Hoping to get those out in the next day or two. Flowers are still doing their thing, and I'm just going to leave them. And my one lonely little parsnip is still back in that way far back bed there. Otherwise, I've got it all pulled out. I've taken the staking off the drip tubes. Still not sure what I need to do with those, if I can just leave them in the beds for the winter or what's going to happen with those. But a few stepping stones to put away, a little bit of tidying up debris, but otherwise I would say my gardening season here in Zone 3, Saskatchewan, Canada, is over for 2018. But there'll still be, I have lots of videos yet to come. We've been busy here, you know, it's the wind up of the season, so I have a few that I'm just waiting to edit and a few that are just waiting to come out, and I have a few things planned for over the winter. So make sure you keep coming back, check out what's new and what I'm doing to keep my green thumbs happy while the cold weather sets in. And don't forget, we'll be doing those potatoes here coming up very soon. So thanks for watching, thanks for all your support over this summer, and we'll see you next time. Bye.